Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of multiple choice question part 2. I am repeating, today our topic is multiple choice question part 2. Students, this is our 22 lecture and 21 homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about some MCQ, that means MCQ part 2. So let's begin. First, we'll read a stem or a passage and then we'll have to give the answer of some questions. Here is our question. Read the following passage and answer to the question 20 and 21. Alfie is 12 years old. She works as a maid in a city house. Now question number 20. Under which law Alfie is doing child labor? Options are Labor Laws 263, Labor Laws 260, Labor Laws 380, Labor Laws 288. Students, can you guess which one will be correct answer here? Okay, I hope you can guess the correct answer. This one will be option A, Labor Laws 263. Question number 21. What kind of development problem is she going to face? Options are intellectual, physical, mental, physical and mental. Can you guess which one will be here? Yes. Option C, mental. This one will be correct answer. So mental development problem is she going to face? Number 22. Which one of the food supplies cellulose? Options are beef, green leafy vegetable, peanuts, popcorn. So here correct answer will be option B, green leafy vegetable. So from this, foods supplies cellulose. Number 23. Good source of calcium for an adult is fish, nuts, pulses, milk and milk produced food. Here our answer will be milk and milk produced food. We know milk is an ideal food for children but not for adult. But milk and milk produced food can be a good source of calcium for an adult person. Now question number 24. What should be the percentage of fat and sugar in a balanced meal? 30%, 20%, 10%, 5%. So here our answer will be option C, 10%. Question number 25. What amount of fruits and vegetables should be taken every day? Our options are 100 to 150 gram, 200 to 250 gram, 300 to 500 gram, 500 to 750 gram. So here our correct answer will be option C, 300 to 500 gram. So I have to put tick mark on option C. Question number 26. Which acid does an egg contain? Our options are hydrochloric acid, stearic acid, acetic acid, folic acid. Our answer will be option D, folic acid. Now question number 27. Which one is water soluble? Options are vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So here the correct answer will be option A, vitamin C. Vitamin C is water soluble. Okay, now come to question number 28. Calcium containing food, edible oil, milk, fruits. Which one of the following is correct? Options are option A 1 and 3, option B 1 and 2, option C 2 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. So here correct answer will be option C 2 and 3. Question number 29. Which food type contains lactose? Our given options are meat, fish, milk, pulse. So here we find the option C, milk. It's the correct answer. Now question number 30. What is carotene? Options are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Which one is correct here? Here we have to put tick mark on option A. That means the correct answer will be vitamin A. Now question number 31. What type of microbe is coccus? Given options are bacteria, virus, yeast, fungus. So I hope you know the answer. Yes, coccus is a microbe and this is a bacteria. So correct answer will be option A, bacteria. Now question number 32. Perishable foods perish quickly within 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, 96 hours. Correct answer will be 24 hours. This is perishable food. Question number 33. Which one is a perishable food? Options are fish, olive, rice, pumpkin. Can you guess which one is perishable food here? Yes, fish. Fish is perishable because it perishes quickly within 24 hours. Now 34. Which one is a kind of small plant? Options are bacteria, yeast, fungus, enzyme. Correct answer will be option C, fungus. Small plant is fungus. Now question number 35. Enzyme is destroyed in the food is heated with a higher temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. So can you guess which one will be correct here? Okay, it will be option B, 80 degrees Celsius. Now question number 36. The lower temperature of refrigerator should not exceed 70 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius. So here our correct answer will be also B, 80 degrees Celsius. 37. Way of preserving food is depending on food values, taste of food, quality of food, decaying nature of food. Here correct answer will be option D, decaying nature of food. Now read the following passage and answer to the questions 38 and 39. Mrs. Farida saw greenish bread layer on the top of her bread. Now question number 38. Which type of microbes creates above mentioned layer? Options are bacteria, yeast, fungus, enzyme. Can you guess? Yes, from this passage we come to know Mrs. Farida saw greenish gray layer on the top of her bread, and here our answer will be option C, fungus, because fungus is gray. So the answer will be option C. Now question number 39. Above mentioned microbes grows in warm temperature, humidity, air. Which one is correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. Can you guess which one will be correct here? Option B 2 and 3. Number 40. According to their nature, foods that are suitable to preserve can be divided into 2 classes, 3 classes, 4 classes, 5 classes. Students, can you guess which one will be correct here? Yes. Option B, 3 classes. Question number 41. Dyeing means applying water, applying color, applying starch, applying indigo. This is very easy. Dyeing means, I hope you all know that, applying color. Dyeing means applying color. Now 42. Which one is used to block printing? Options are tomato, pumpkin, watermelon, lady's finger. Can you guess which one? I hope you know the answer. Yes, answer will be option D, lady's finger. We use lady's finger for block printing. Question number 43. Caustic soda is used in embroidery, dyeing, printing, painting. Which one is correct here? Yes, option B, dyeing. For dyeing, we use caustic soda. Now, question number 44. Which one is needed in embroidery? Options are frame, baking soda, color, medium. Here, our answer will be option A, frame. Question number 45. Which stage is related to Bacchia stage? Options are herringbone stage, feather stage, Pekingese stage, shorten stage. So here our correct answer is option C, Pekingese stage. 46. Which stage is usually used to make a design on a crust cloth made of jute? Options are Pekingese stitch, shorten stitch, blanket stitch, cross stitch. This will be option D, cross stitch. Now, last question number 47. The pattern of a designed fabric is called formative design, formal design, informal design, decorative design. Here the correct answer will be decorative design. That means option D. Students, that's all for multiple choice question part 2. And now I am providing your homework. Your homework will be MCQ 30 to 40. Only answer. You have to write only answer of MCQ 30 to 40. I am repeating, your homework will be MCQ 30 to 40 only answer. And students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.